Hello strangers, Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to another new sessions. Today is a 13-day challenges for read English practice with Radhe talks. So very important day. Okay. Without delay times, let's start today's sessions. Before start video, I just every day for every sessions I told you motivations lines, and today is also be 2 lines motivations. Everything easy when you are busy. Everything easy when you are busy. Nothing easy when you are laziness. It means you are do something work consistently or repeatedly, and you engage with the work. Then after you busy mode and the work is for easy for you. Okay, but your laziness, you think but you are not do, then after you are also be a laziness, you reject your laziness pattern in your lives and go succeed every day, do something that's very helpful for yourself. Okay, I have the same book. The book is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, Rich Dad Poor Dad books, and the topic is of rich people, so don't work for money. I started. Okay, I think you are be properly do. Okay, started. Disappointed, Mike and I sat in silence for about 20 minutes before we began clean off our messy. The business was over of open days. Washing the powder off, I looked at Mike and said, I guess Jimmy and his friends are right. We are the poor. My father was just leaving. As I said that, boys, he said, you are only poor if you are give off. Okay, the most important thing is that you did something. Most people only talk to dream getting a reason. You are be done something. I am very proud of you, two of the you, and I will say it again. Keep going and don't be quiet. Never be stop your work. You do repeatedly and again to again, then our result automatically comes. Mike and I stood there in the silence. They were nice words, but we still did not know what to do. Okay. And so how many years so not reached Dad? I ask because I choose to be a school teachers. School teachers really don't think about being a rich. The school teacher don't think being a rich. And we just like to reach. I could help you, but I really don't know how to make money. Mike and I turn and continue the clean offs. I know said my dad. If you boy want to learn how to be rich, don't ask me and talk to your dad, Mike. My dad asked Mike, is the squad of pace? Yeah, your dad is repeated, and my dad with a smile yours. Okay, dad and I have the same bankers, and he raves about your fathers, and he told he several times that your father is a brilliant when it comes to making a mornings. My dad Mike asked again to the disbeliefs. Then how to comes to don't have to nice cars, a nice house like and nice house like, and rich kids at the school. I have covers today's sessions. I think today is the end of sessions, and I think so you are be do properly repeatedly course. And thank you so much, and thank you the watching this class, and thanks for your spending with me. And Jai Jagannath. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.